Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 4th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound dollar, we had this nice big impulsive move up on Friday. Then we had this little counter move. Hopefully, this is a wave A. I'm hoping that this makes a pullback. Now, there's really no confirmation that the pullback is in. This could possibly just continue to make higher highs, higher lows, but which it is definitely doing already. So be careful with trying to go short. I think there's a good chance it might go down again to like the 50 to 61%. And I'm definitely hoping that it goes down again because that would give us a really nice ABC setup for the end of a wave two, hopefully, and hopefully the beginning of a big wave three. So today is Monday, can be a little bit slower. Hopefully it makes a pullback for the wave C today, and then maybe we could get the nice continuation of the uptrend early this week, like on Tuesday or something. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.